Set na ang tanan para sa pag-umpisa sang NCAA Season 99 sa Domingo. Magluwas sa basketball kag volleyball games, magabalik man ang iban pang sports. Si Rujimar Sokal dito nakatutok.
That the 99th season of the National Collegiate Athletic Association.
Halin sa very successful season 98 last year, lauman ang mas intense nga bakbakan. Madamo sang NCAA events nga magabalik subong nga season, lakip na ang face-to-face taekwondo kag chess games. Magabalik man ang badminton kag table tennis sporting events. For Pit Championship kuno ang goal sang Letran Knights.
Do not fear, only believe. Yun talaga yung sinasabi sa amin. Huwag kayong matakot, maniniwala ka lang sa sarili. Muna namin isipin yung championship, isipin muna namin bawat laro namin kung paano kami manalo.
Team to beat man this year ang basketball team sang De La Salle College of St. Benil.
During this off-season, that's what we really worked on, which is our mental game lang.
Dako man ang pagpasalamat ni LPU Team Captain Enoch Valdez sa NCAA.
Hindi dahil sa NCAA, hindi naman ako mapapansin siguro ng PBA. Like, yun nga, hindi rin siguro ako matadraft kasi doon ako nanggaling.
Ready naman kuno ang iba niya teams.
Ang goal namin is mag-improve kami every training, every day.
Kapag EAC na kalaban nyo, hindi magiging madali ang lahat. No?
Yeah.
Tinutuyo sang NCAA nga mas mapaayo, disiplina kag excellence sang kabataan sa sports kag mangin kampyon sa ila kabuhi.
The NCAA is all about the student athlete. They are our future hope.
So now we're going to see new faces. So for sure, the new heroes of the game would be the student athletes making the big plays, breaking records.
Sa Domingo na ang opening ceremony sang NCAA Season 99, the heroes of the game. Maga-perform ang pila ka Sparkle Stars, kag may special participation man si Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards. Rujimar Sokal dito, One Western Visayas.